Hello, my friend. Welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Henry.
The new year is coming. It's time to write in a greeting postcard. Although this year is tough for everyone, we are still alive and we'll go through the pandemic coronavirus crisis. Stick around. Let's go. I use Corel to make the greeting card. First, make a simple cartoon image that Chinese traditional Lunar 2021 presented. Chinese Zodiac Ox. Add some greeting words. Export using DXF format. Open the DXF file with Fusion 360. Extrude them with 1 mm height. Add a square base with a height of 2 mm. Combine them together. Mirror the whole base to form the symmetric image. This is the greeting pad main base. Add a handle. Export them all with STL format. Print them. Add a stamp ink at the top of the greeting pad. Push it to the greeting card. But the image is not so clear. I directly use the stamp ink with a brush. It is still not good enough. Polish the surface of the greeting pad with sandpaper. Again, make a stamp on the greeting card. Now it is good. You can make the stamp at the cake or others. Use the model in which the figure height is 3 mm. Glue the handle to the bottom of the base. Make stamp at the surface of the cake. Now it works very well.
Please like and subscribe. You will not regret your choice. Also, leave your comment below so we can know each other. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon again. Hope you will have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the small bell. so you will not miss the update. TB channel is waiting for you.